facilities also. Review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of properties is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images of Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. You can verify the photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold your amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is good. It gives love to enjoy the surroundings.